Okay, so I have this amazing desk setup, and it's pretty well lit. And I just kind of did some testing stuff. But I really want to make my room upstairs a little bit better because I want to do more videos up there and do more interesting things. So here's what I'm working with. So far it's really dark. I have the windows on, I have the lights on. Also one of the lights is broken. But I have everything on and it's pretty dark. Okay, so I got this flashlight and we're going to use it. I got it at the dollar store. This is the one because I have it up there, but you can't see it yet. But yeah, so got this and now we gotta do stuff. Okay. Okay, so the first thing you want to start with is these triangles, which took me hours. Ugh, it's taking forever. Okay, so take your pre-cut triangles or whatever, and just start to put them in the formation of a box. And so after you have this in the box form, get some tin foil on the shiny side and just wrap them on each side. So. Okay, so I got every single panel all done. So now what we just got to do is find the points. And start at the top right here and then just go right here and just connect them right there. I'll finish this part. But here we go. Got it up there. All set and all good.